Hey there, and welcome to the channel. If you've ever wanted to try meditation but felt overwhelmed or didn't know where to start, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to walk you through a simple, step-by-step guide on how to meditate. No experience needed. Let's take the mystery out of mindfulness. So first, what is meditation? Simply put, meditation is a practice where you train your mind to focus and redirect your thoughts. It's not about turning off your mind, it's about becoming more aware of it. And it can help reduce stress, improve focus, and bring more peace into your daily life. Start by choosing a quiet, comfortable space. You don't need a fancy cushion or incense, just a spot where you won't be disturbed. Sit comfortably cross-legged on the floor or in a chair with your feet flat. Keep your back straight but relaxed. You can close your eyes or keep a soft gaze. Here's a basic technique to get started. This is called focused attention meditation. Step 1, gently close your eyes. Step 2, bring your attention to your breath. Just notice it. Feel the air moving in and out. Step 3. When your mind wanders, and it will, that's totally okay. Just notice the thought and gently bring your focus back to your breath. Start with just 2 to 5 minutes a day. You can increase over time, but consistency is more important than length. A quick note on what meditation isn't. It's not about emptying your mind. You won't suddenly become Zen after one session, and that's okay. Meditation is a skill, and like any skill, it gets easier the more you practice. If you'd like a little extra help, there are great apps like Headspace, Insight Timer, or Calm. You can also try guided meditations on YouTube. And remember, you don't need to be perfect, just show up. That's the practice. I hope this gave you the confidence to get started. Meditation is one of the best things you can do for your mental clarity and emotional well-being. So, go ahead, take a few deep breaths and give it a try. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Be well.